Lesson 0. Installing Visual C++ 2010 Express. For this lesson, you will need a computer that runs the Windows operating system. To begin, open a browser and enter this URL into the address bar to go to the Microsoft download page. Next, scroll down the page and left-click the triangle next to Visual C++ 2010 Express. Then left-click the down arrow to expand the language list and left-click English to begin the download process. At this point, you may see a warning message at the top of the browser. Left-click the message bar and then left-click Download File. Your browser should go to this page and you should see this security warning dialog. Left-click the Run button. After a second or two, you should see another dialog. Left-click the Run button again. This will start to take you through the settings selection for the installation. After a minute or so, you should see the installation wizard come up. Left-click the Next button. This will bring up the license terms. If you accept the terms, left-click the radio button next to I have read and accept the license terms. Then left-click the Next button. This brings up the installation options. Your options may be different than what is shown here, so left-click the boxes for any additional products that you want to install, and then left-click the Next button. This brings us to the destination folder selection for the installation. Accept the default location by left-clicking the Install button. This will begin the actual download and installation, which will take a little while. If you are installing the .NET framework, you will see a dialog requesting that you restart your computer once it is installed. Make sure that you close all of the programs and left-click the Restart Now button and allow the computer to shut down and restart on its own. Once the computer restarts and you log in, you should see the installation continuing. You may see this progress bar and then this dialog which reports the progress of the installation. This may take a while. When it is done, you will see the installation complete dialog shown here. Left-click the Exit button and you are done with the installation. Now that the installation is finished, we can open the IDE from the Start menu. Left-click the Start button in the lower left-hand corner of the desktop. Left-click All Programs and then find Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Express and left-click it to view the contents. Left-click the Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Express icon that is below the folder and this will open the IDE. After a minute or two of initial setup, you should now see the IDE open like this. One last remark is in order. Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 Express is completely free to use. However, you will need to register within 30 days of installation. Registration can be done online and is very quick and easy. This concludes the lesson.